चादर झाड़ लो या चादर को हिलाओ। शेक आउट द बेडशीट, शेक आउट द बेडशीट। अपना रास्ता नापो या अपने रास्ते पर जाओ। गो योर वे, गो योर वे। इसे दूर ले जाओ। टेक इट अवे, टेक इट अवे। वह घोड़े बेचकर सो रहा है। He is having very sound sleep, he is having very sound sleep। ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है। There is nothing like that, there is nothing like that। अगर तुम्हें कोई मदद चाहिए तो बताना। Let me know if you need any help, let me know if you need any help। आखिरकार हो गया। Finally it's done, finally it's done। मैंने ये कभी ट्राई नहीं किया है। I have never tried it, I have never tried it। अपनी जैकेट उतारो। Take off your jacket, take off your jacket। वैसे तुम कहाँ थे? By the way, where were you? By the way, where were you? पता है, you know what, you know what। नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस है, आज क्या हुआ? What happened today, what happened today। कुछ गड़बड़ है। Something is fishy, something is fishy। मैं ठीक वहीं आ रहा हूँ। I am coming right there, I am coming right there। मैं फिर कभी देखूंगी। I will see some other time, I will see some other time। चलो यहाँ से निकलते हैं। Let's go out of here, let's go out of here। तुम्हें सिर्फ अपनी पड़ी रहती है या आप केवल अपने बारे में सोचते हैं। You only think of yourself, you only think of yourself। तुम कहाँ से आ रहे हो? Where are you coming from, where are you coming from। बस बाजार से। Just from the market, just from the market। मैं पूछना भूल गया। I forgot to ask, I forgot to ask। तुम कहाँ खो गए थे? Where were you lost, where were you lost। उसका गुस्सा जायज़ है। His anger is justified, his anger is justified। सोच समझ कर बोलो। Think before you speak, think before you speak। मैंने आपको कहीं देखा है। I have seen you somewhere, I have seen you somewhere। क्या हम पहले कभी मिले हैं? Have we ever met before, have we ever met before। दूध बह रहा है या दूध उबल रहा है? The milk is boiling over, the milk is boiling over। हल्की बारिश हो रही है। It's drizzling, it's drizzling। काश मैं वहाँ होता। I wish I were there, I wish I were there। आप बेहतर कर सकते हैं। You can do better, you can do better। वह बहुत अच्छा बोलता है। He speaks very well, he speaks very well। तुम मुझे कॉल कर सकते थे। You could have called me, you could have called me। मुझे तुम्हारा रिप्लाई नहीं आया। I didn't get your reply, I didn't get your reply। हद हो गई। This is too much, this is too much। कुछ काम कर लो। Do some work, do some work। चलो आज बाहर खाते हैं। Let's eat out today, let's eat out today। वह बहुत बातूनी है। She is very talkative, she is very talkative। मैं जुबान का पक्का हूँ। I keep my words. I keep my words. मेरे बाल भूरे हैं। I have brown hair. I have brown hair. मैं उनसे कई बार मिल चुका हूँ। I have met him many times. I have met him many times. मैं 20 साल का हूँ। I am 20 years old. I am 20 years old. वह सो रही होगी। She would be sleeping. She would be sleeping. आपको क्या खाना है? What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? वह तुम्हें बुला रहा है। He is calling you. He is calling you. मुझे तुम पर नाज है। I am proud of you. I am proud of you. अब तुम हद पार कर रहे हो। Now you are crossing the limit. Now you are crossing the limit. मुझे अपने आप पर भरोसा है। I believe in myself. I believe in myself. जो मन करे वो करो। Do whatever you want. Do whatever you want. तुम्हें जो सोचना है सोचो। Think whatever you want. Think whatever you want. वो तुम्हारा मजाक उड़ा रहा है। He is making fun of you. He is making fun of you. तुम ऐसा कैसे कर सकते हो? How can you do this? How can you do this? आप किस्मत वाले हो। You are lucky. You are lucky. हम सब तुम्हारे साथ हैं। We all are with you. We all are with you. ये क्या बकवास है? What is this nonsense? What is this nonsense? मेरे कहने का मतलब है कि I mean to say that. I mean to say that. अब तुम जा सकते हो। You can go now. You can go now. तुम मुझे कैसे भूल पाओगे? How will you forget me? How will you forget me? तुम होते कौन हो? Who the hell are you? Who the hell are you? मुझे कहीं जाना है। I have to go somewhere. I have to go somewhere. तुम्हें घर पर होना चाहिए। You should be at home. You should be at home. मेरा इससे कोई लेना देना नहीं है। It's none of my business. It's none of my business. क्या तुम्हें जलन हो रही है? Are you getting jealous? Are you getting jealous? वह मेरा बस एक अच्छा दोस्त है। He is just my good friend. He is just my good friend. तुम कब सीखोगे? When will you learn? When will you learn? जल्दी से ठीक हो जाओ। Get well soon. Get well soon. मेरे पास बहुत दोस्त हैं। I have many friends. I have many friends. तुम फिर कभी आना। You come some other time. You come some other time. हम फिर कभी मिलेंगे। We will meet some other time. We will meet some other time. क्या तुम फिर कभी आ सकते हो? Can you come some other time? Can you come some other time? फिर कभी बता देना उसे। Tell him some other time. Tell him some other time. फिर कभी दिखा देना उसे। Show him some other time. Show him some other time. वॉशरूम जाना है। I have to go to washroom. I have to go to washroom. मैंने कब कहा? When did I say? When did I say? जरा एक मिनट रुकिए। Please wait a minute. Please wait a minute. मुझे दोष मत देना। Don't blame me. Don't blame me. मैं तुम्हारे लिए बहुत खुश हूँ। I am so happy for you. I am so happy for you. मैं तंग आ गया आपसे। I am sick of you. I am sick of you. तुम कभी नहीं सुधरोगे। You will never change. You will never change. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel.